If you're looking to make big gains in your online presence, ShortStack has the features you need to help your health and wellness business hit its goals. Here's why the health and wellness industry loves ShortStack. Create excitement while collecting UGC. Build engaging campaigns and contests that collect everything from before and after photos, hashtagged photos, tweets, videos, and more. Then use the collected content to convince and convert more customers. Grow your list of leads. ShortStack streamlines lead collection with easy-to-set-up forms. Encourage people to sign up to be the first to know when your product hits the shelves. Make your special offer only available to those who are on your mailing list, or tell fans to sign up for your digital newsletter for the inside scoop on your business. Let your customers have a say. It's never a bad idea to get feedback from your audience, but take it to the next level by showing them you're actually listening. Use ShortStack voting contests to get customers' input on new swag, what products to stock at the front desk, or which services you'll offer next. Manage your leads from one place. Easily organize the leads you've gathered from all your campaigns. ShortStack makes it easy for you to follow up. Segment lists by contest, campaign, or other data you've collected. You can even use ShortStack's email marketing features to automate and personalize further communications. Need more ideas? Check out the links in this video's description.